Okay, yeah, you got a leak in the flapper. So I hear it. It's going ch ch ch. Because the water level I see went down, and then as it goes down, then that kicks on. So I'm seeing it. Alright, so we got a flush valve that leaks through here, so we're gonna go ahead and take the toilet bowl off so we can change that whole piece out. Alright. Yep, we're just going go ahead and get that right off. We'll be able to, now that those two bolts are off, on each side, this will lift up and out, just like that. Pretty simple. Okay. Now, I'll just dump the rest of that water over there. Wow. Pretty simple shit. All right. Okay. All right, so we got this. Wow, that was pretty beat up. Anyway, so we'll get rid of that, and then we're gonna undo the. So the way that works is this comes off, and then there's a nut here. And let me see if this wrench will work for this nut. And it should. Yep, it fits. So got the handy dandy wrench for these. These are for 3-inch valves. Alright, let me oh, this on there good though. Definitely is on there good. So let's try to get a little better grip on it. There it goes. There it goes. There it is. And we should be able to do it by hand from there. See if I can see where this was leaking from, but can't really tell just by looking at it. Doesn't matter. We're getting rid of it so we can get something that don't leak. Okay, there we go. Looks good. Okay. We'll just clean up the bottom and top real quick, and then we'll be ready. All right, so we're gonna pop the new one in. All right, and same thing again. We're gonna use a tool and tighten. Ooh, and just kind of hard to hold the camera at the same time. Hold on. All right. Give it one more tightening. Alright, that's pretty good. We don't want to break the porcelain or none. Alright. Then pop this on. Pop the seal on like that. Oh, all the way around. There it is. Since while that's out, let me tighten this down with this, because this wasn't very tight. So we'll use my other little handy dandy tool just for this. Got a tool for everything, don't you? There we go. How tight that's gonna be. Kind of feel it. When it starts getting really tight against that porcelain, we want to do very minimal at this point. Alright, so boom. Yeah, we don't need a lot. Just enough to get it tight and snug. Okay. One thing you don't want to do is over tighten. Alright, so now we need to do the adjustments on the flush, on the handle to this. So that's definitely not going to be enough. The handle itself doesn't have much of a lift. So you're going to need it. Alright, so we got that tightened back up here. Okay, let's turn the water on. There it goes. Good so far. Check for any leaks. Looks good. No leaks. Feels good. No leaks. Dry. Perfect. Just wait for it to fill up now, and then we can give it the good flush test. Okay, so the fill valve stopped. Let's give it a flush. Oh, look at it go. Nice. Do it one more time. Make sure it looks great. Alright, so this was loose. I also tightened this up real good. So now let's give it an overall flush check. I think we'll open that up a little bit, give it a little more water for flush. Try it. Alright, one more time. Probably could bring it up a little bit more. There we go. That's how this should work. Perfect. We're all set here.